Hello! What's up, guys? Hello, hello. Hello. How are you guys doing? I've got some very good news. My cats, just about an hour and a half ago, they got to sniff each other in a very friendly way. And now Goose knows that the new cat is not a threat. And they're friends. They are friends. They were play fighting with each other and chasing each other and like, oh, so cute. I've got some pictures, but I'm not sure whether I can get them. Like, I literally filmed the first. Let's see if I can pull up the first thing which they did. Do I have them on my computer? They should automatically be over here, but let me double check. Camera. We come all the way down. Oh. There we go. There's an out of focus picture. Out of focus. But look at them. Look at them. They're just both looking out the window. We had to put this towel.
My BF got me the merch for my B-Day and
Yo!
Smiling
Dude,
faces, hearts, revolving hearts.
Aw. I was going to, okay, the other pictures haven't uploaded to my computer yet. Fuck you, OneDrive. Let's see if I can get them going. Please load. And please load on my computer as well, so I can show all the kind people cool stuff. But yeah, thank you so much, Cutie Cos, and Blooming X and It's Mesh, thank you so much for the subs, really appreciate it. Today we're going to be working on the museum a little bit more. We'll work out some good plans and good stuff. The door is open, whoosh, so they can run in and out. They've been chasing each other and stuff, which is adorable. Should I go get one of them? I'll go get one of them, because I got it. I got it. I'll be right back. I'll be right back. I'm getting him. Look at her. Look at her. Where are you going, little one? You want to go over here? There we go. Why isn't that working? Is this camera not connected? The cat cam's not connected for some reason. Let me unplug this. Plug it back in. You working? I don't know why that's not working. That's bizarre. Yeah, she's right there. She's chilling. The cat cam's not working. Oh wait, look. Proof. If the camera focuses. Look, there we go. Goose and Ducky's over there. They're friends, I guess. But she's adorable. Goose is being very, very responsible and not like, if they're play fighting and she hisses a little bit, he stops immediately. He's behaving very, very well. Is this on shuffle? 505 is a good song, but not quite the vibe. Yeah. They're doing well. They're doing very good. There'll be lots of pictures on everywhere eventually. I just wanted to hold off announcing it on social media a little bit. I mean, I've announced it on stream because you guys are cool. This is the exclusive. Yeah. There will be pictures going forward. Alright. Shall we jump right in? Hello, all the new people. Really
Now
appreciate
the question is,
watching
will
you.
you get
being
an
here.
actual duck so you can play duck quiz?
I don't think the combination of 2 cats and a real-life duck is a great idea. 21 months, Pink Girl? That's insane. Oh, we finally put subs to TTS. Oh, that was a loud one. Cheers. Alright. Let's jump right in. Wonder if anyone else is on at the moment. Exciting things coming, potentially. Okay, I'm the only one on. But there's been a lot of talking going on in the Discord and stuff. Oh shit, hello. I'm not used to there being bad things outside. Thunk. 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 Do you see them just... Why? For all the days for the cat cam not to work. What the hell? Bro, okay, I've got to make sure this cat cam works. Because otherwise I'm going to be missing out on some adorable footage. Just a second. Oh, they're chirping at birds together? What the fuck? That's adorable! What are you doing? The light's not on. The camera no work. Alright, let's try plugging it into a different USB slot. For some reason, these cameras... Oh! These cameras just sometimes don't work when I launch OBS, and the only way to make them work again is to completely restart OBS, which means ending the stream and then restarting the stream, so fuck that. You working? Is it worth restarting the stream for the cat cam? Alright. Everyone is saying yes. We will be right back. I'm gonna have to restart OBS and we'll be right back. Let me plug this one back in here. Here we go. Good luck. Thank you. I will be right back. Don't go anywhere.